Is your engine not at optimal performance? I got something that may help. Our friends over at MotorPower Care sent us this fantastic kit, and I'm going to show you how it works. So to begin with, I'm Carmen from DeMaria Duo, and this is MotorPower Care Engine Flush. What's great about this is before you do your oil change, you want to let your engine run for about 20 minutes or so. Then you're going to dump this in. You're going to let this sit. This is going to go through your engine. It's going to help clean out all the gunk that's been there. Then you're going to go to the back. You're going to dump the fuel system cleaner in the gas tank because it's going to do the same thing. It's going to work its way inside all the way through your engine. You're going to go ahead and complete your oil change. When you're done with your oil change, what you're going to do is you're going to add the Pro Anti-Wear Protector. Now this is an oil additive, so make sure you don't overflow your oil with this. If that is not enough and you need some more additional help, this catalytic converter kit is fantastic. It comes with an awesome motor power sticker. It comes with 2 cans, and you're going to use these cans every 3,000 miles. You're going to dump this in your gas tank, and it's going to go ahead and help clean out the catalytic converter. What I really like about this, in addition to the fact that it comes with 2, it also comes with a funnel that you can just screw right ahead on to the top of the canister up here. Now, if you're thinking, but Carmen, I got a 4-cylinder turbo like you and I got a lot of carbon deposit. Yeah, so do I. Check this out. This is engine power. This right here is going to help you clean out the carbon deposit. You're going to have to follow the directions on this because you're actually going to have to spray into each one of your cylinders. If you don't feel comfortable, I suggest you find a mechanic or a friend who is mechanically inclined to help you with this product. These products from MotorCare have been awesome. They've helped me restore the power back to my engine, and I hope it can restore the power back to yours.